Have a good day everyone. Today we will see add selected command and multiple command in AutoCAD. Okay, first add selected command. Go add selected, select object, dimension, click. Okay, again add selected, select dimension style. Okay, again add selected, select H, click, enter. Again add selected, quick H, quick, enter. Okay, add selected, select object, add selected, select object, add selected, select rectangle, polyline, click, close, C, enter. Okay, polyline, properties, polyline. Okay, now let's see multiple command. Type multiple, circle, C, enter, C, circle, exit. Type again multiple, rectangle, enter, rectangle. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.